Now see question number 8 from exercise 4.4. Find x, y, z if this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. So we have to first know what is meant by skew symmetric matrix. So for that we have to take the transpose of given matrix. If suppose here given matrix is A and if we find its transpose, that is A transpose, then if this condition is satisfied, A equals to minus A transpose, then the given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. That means we have to take a transpose of given matrix, then we have to find minus A transpose, and equating that value we get value of x, y, z by the equality of matrix. So see here the procedure. Write in solution given matrix as matrix A. So write here let A equals to, so write the given matrix having element 0, minus 5y, x, y, 0, z, 3 by 2, minus root 2, 0. Now we have to find its transpose first. So write here A transpose is equals to, transpose means converting the row elements in column elements or column elements in row elements. So we write the elements of first row in first column. So write here 0, minus 5y, x in first column, then y, 0, z in second column, that is elements of second row in second column, and elements of third row in third column. So elements of third row are 3 by 2 minus root 2, 0, which we write in third column. Now this given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So by definition we write here, by definition A equals to minus A transpose. So we write here matrix A as a given matrix. So write here 0, minus 5y, x, then y, 0, z, then 3 by 2 minus root 2, 0 is equals to minus A into A transpose. So you can write here by taking minus sign common. So we write here minus in bracket, or you can write this as minus in bracket A transpose value 0, y, 3 by 2 in first row, minus 5y, 0, minus root 2, then x, o, z, 0. Now we multiply by minus sign, that means by minus 1 to each element of this right hand side matrix. So write here, therefore in left hand side we get 0, minus 5y, x, then y, 0, z, then 3 by 2 minus root 2, 0 is equals to, we multiply by minus sign. So the elements of first row we write here 0, minus y, minus 3 by 2, then plus 5y, 0 plus root 2, then minus x, minus z, 0. So by equality of matrix we write here this minus 5y equals to minus y, therefore minus 5y is equals to minus y, that means y is equals to plus 5y. Then we require x, so we equate this x with minus 3 by 2, therefore x is equals to minus 3 by 2, then this z with root 2, so we get here z is equals to root 2. So right here by equality of matrix. So in this way we get value of x as minus 3 by 2, z equals to root 2, and y equals to 5i. Now see question number 9. For each of following matrices, using its transpose, state whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric or neither. So see first sub question. So here given matrix, we call this matrix as matrix A in solution. So write in solution, let A equals to. So we write the given matrix as matrix A. So 1, 2, minus 5 are the elements of first row. Then 2, minus 3, 4 are the elements of second row. Then minus 5, 4, 9 are the elements of third row. We have to check whether the given matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. So for that we have to write the transpose of given matrix. In question also given using its transpose. So we write the transpose of given matrix here. So A transpose is equals to. So while writing the transpose, we write the elements of first row in first column. So 1, 2, minus 5 we write in first column. Then 2, minus 3, 5 we write in second column. Then minus 5, 4, 9, minus 5, 4, 9 we write in third column. Now if you observe the elements here, 1, 2, minus 5, 1, 2, minus 5, elements of second row 2, minus 3, 4, 2, minus 3, 4, then minus 5, 4, 9 means after transpose we get the same matrix. So from this we say A is equal to A transpose, therefore A is symmetric matrix. So in this way, by using transpose we check whether the given matrix is symmetric or not. Now see sub question second, the elements of first row are 2, 5, 1, elements of second row are minus 5, 4, 6, element of third row are minus 1, minus 6, 3. So we call this matrix in solution as matrix B. So write let B equals to, in first row write 2, 5, 1, in second row write minus 5, 4, 6, in third row write minus 1, minus 6, 3. So we write first transpose of given matrix. So write the element of first row in first column. So element of first column are 2, 5, 1. Elements of second row in second column. So elements of second column are minus 5, 4, 6. Then element of third column are minus 1, minus 6, 3. Minus 1, minus 6, 3. Now if you observe here B equals to B transpose, for B equals to B transpose we require elements at corresponding position are identical. So 5 here value is minus 5, that means this matrix is not symmetric, that means we have to check for skew symmetric. For that we have to find minus B transpose. So for that we have to multiply by minus sign to each element of this matrix. So we get minus B transpose. So write here minus 2, minus minus get plus 5, then minus minus plus 1, then here we get minus 5, minus 4, here minus minus get plus 6, then here 1 we get minus 1, here we get minus 6, and here minus 3. So here we check these two, B equals to minus B transpose, here value is 2, here value is minus 2, that means both the conditions of symmetric and skew symmetric are not satisfied. So write here that is B not equals to B transpose and B not equals to minus B transpose. Therefore matrix B is not symmetric nor skew symmetric, or you can write matrix B is neither symmetric nor skew symmetric. So here with the help of transpose we show the given matrix is neither symmetric nor skew symmetric. Now see sub question third, element of first row are 0, 1 plus 2i, I minus 2, minus 1, minus 2i, 0, minus 7, 2 minus I, 7, 0. So we have to find the transpose of given matrix first. So we represent given matrix as matrix C. So write here matrix C equals to element of first row 0, 1 plus 2i, then I minus 2, element of second row -1 -2i 0 -7 element of third row 2 -i 7 0. First we find the transpose of this matrix C. So we write here C transpose equals to, write element of first row in first column. So write here 0 1 plus 2i I minus 2. Then element of second row in second column. So write -1 -2i 0. Then -7 element of third row in third column. So write here 2 -i 7 0. Now if you observe the elements here, value of first row, that is elements of first row are 0. Then 1 plus 2i, here value is -1 -2i. That means we have to check by taking minus sign common whether the given matrix is skew symmetric or not, because from this we say the given matrix C not equals to C transpose, therefore matrix is not symmetric. Now we have to check whether the given matrix is skew symmetric or not. So for that we have to take minus sign common, or we can multiply by minus sign. So we write here minus C transpose equals to, so 0 as it is. After multiplying by minus sign, here we get minus minus plus 1 minus minus plus 2i. So write here 1 plus 2i. Then here after multiplying by minus sign, this minus I changes to plus I. So we write plus I first. Then this 2 changes to minus 2. So we write here I minus 2. Then here 1 plus 2i, we write -1 -2i. After multiplying by minus sign, 0 as it is. This 7 changes to -7. This I minus 2. After multiplying by minus sign, we get minus minus plus 2. So write plus 2 as at first position, and I after multiplying by -1 we get minus I. So 2 minus I. So I minus 2, we write 2 minus I after multiplying by minus sign. This -7 changes to +7 and 0 remains as it is. So if you observe, the matrix C and matrix minus C transpose have the same elements, that is the row are identical. So from this we say C is equals to minus C transpose, therefore matrix C is skew symmetric. Now see question number 10. Construct the matrix A equals to a matrix having element Aij of order 3 by 3, where Aij equals to I minus j. So the matrix form we have to check here, state whether A is symmetric or skew symmetric. So first way, construct here matrix A of order 3 by 3. So write in solution. So first we write element of A as A11, A12, A13, then A21, A22, A23, then A31, A32, A33. This 1 means this element in first row first column. So this matrix which we have to found is of order 3 by 3. Here we have to find A11. So here formula is given Aij equals to I minus j. So using this we find A11. That means I is 1, j is 1. So we get here 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Then we have to find A12. A12 is equals to, that means I is 1, j is 2. So 1 minus 2 which is equals to minus 1. Then we have to find A13. That means I is 1, j is 3. So here we get 1 minus 3 which is equals to minus 2. Then next for second row element, that means we have to find A21, then A22, then A23. So I is 2, j is 1, so 2 minus 1 we get 1, 2 minus 2 we get 0, then 2 minus 3 we get minus 1. Then next we find elements of third row, that is value of A31, then A32, then A33. So here I is 3, J is 1. So we write here 3 minus 1, which is equals to plus 2. Here I is 3, J is 2. So 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. For last element A3, 3. Here I is 3, J is 3. So here 3 minus 3, we get 0. Now we calculate value of all the elements. So write A as A equals to, so elements of first row are 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Then elements of second row are 1, 0, 1. Sorry, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1. Then elements of third row are 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. Now all the diagonal elements are 0 and non-diagonal elements are same but with opposite sign. That means here condition Aij is equals to minus Aji is satisfied. So this matrix is skew symmetric matrix, or you can find the transpose of given matrix. Then we write here 0, minus 1, minus 2, that the element of first row in first column, element of second row in second column, that is 0, 1, 0, minus 1, then element of third row, so right here 2, 1, 0. So when we say the given matrix is skew symmetric when A equals to minus A transpose, so we take here minus sign or we multiply both sides by minus sign. So right here minus A transpose is equals to, so after multiplying by minus sign, here we change the sign of each element of the given matrix. So right here 0, minus 1, minus 2, then plus 1, 0, minus 1, then plus 2, plus 1, 0. Now these matrix A and minus A transpose have the same element at corresponding position. So from this we say A equals to minus A transpose, therefore A is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix.